adding tire rotations to your regularly scheduled oil change can get a bit tiring, but since they're often done at similar intervals of about 6,000 miles, many people complete both at the same time. While you typically won't save much money rotating your own tires compared to going to the dealership, where they often run specials like offering free tire rotations with a purchase of an oil change, rotating your own tires does come with a few advantages beyond just maximizing tread life. First, you get to make sure your lug nuts aren't over-torqued, making them nearly impossible to remove without a breaker bar. In my case, I discovered that the previous owner installed lug nuts with a star pattern socket on each wheel, except for 3 hex-shaped socket lug nuts on the driver's side wheel, which I find kind of odd, since if they're supposed to act as wheel locks, I'd expect that there would be 4 so each wheel could have 1. It's little things like this that you'll discover while doing small maintenance like rotating your own tires. After cracking the lug nuts loose, I can now raise up my car to finish removing them. And now that I have the wheel off, I have more access to inspect things like the condition of the brake pads. Another benefit of rotating your tires is having the ability to easily clean areas you otherwise wouldn't have complete access to, including those bright acid green calipers. You can also take this opportunity to effortlessly clean out the wheelbarrow while you have the chance. Based on your setup, your tire rotation pattern may vary, but looking at the tread on my tire and the rotation arrow displayed on the sidewall, I'm able to see that these tires are directional, which means I can only swap the wheels from front to back on the same side. Now I just have to secure the wheels back onto the car with the lug nuts. The lug nuts on this 2018 WRX STI requires 89 foot-pounds of torque. Using the star pattern technique and a torque wrench, I can properly finish torquing down the lug nuts. Once all the wheels have been properly rotated, this job is complete. We now have freshly rotated tires, clean wheels, and hopefully another 6,000 miles. If you're not too tired out yet, and you're getting ready to do an oil change or maybe even spark plugs, why not check out a couple of my other videos and consider subscribing for more automotive content.